Hey Kickstarter, we are Hello, a communication platform company. In 2016, we came to you with the Hello communication device idea, and with your amazing support, we smashed our Kickstarter goal. Today, we are excited to come home to Kickstarter to push the boundaries of communication even further. Introducing Hello 2, the world's most powerful communication device, with a 4K camera, 4 beamforming microphones, night vision, automatic tilt, hack-proof privacy controls, speakers, and more. Hello Touch TV, the smartest and most affordable 4K Touch TV powered by Hello 2 for real-time digital whiteboarding and collaboration. Hello 2 Creator Edition, designed for hardware and software developers. Hello Button, a reprogrammable smart button to control things around you with one simple click. And Hello Gaming Controller, a new way to play games through your Hello. It's time to write the next chapter in communications. Hello 2 is engineered with 4 beamforming microphones and a 4K HDR video sensor working together to ensure the video and audio capture is of the highest quality. Hello 2 also features an automatic tilting lens with 112-degree field of view and night vision, guarantee that every person in the room is seen clearly. And with built-in Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Zigbee, and NFC connectivity, allowing any device to connect to Hello, transforming any TV into an all-in-one communication device. Hello can be used to start calls from any device.
Hey team, did London and Hong Kong send those designs?
We just invited them into the meeting.
Hello from Hong Kong.
Your life happens around your devices. Communication will now happen where you are.
Hey guys. Yeah, say hi. Yeah, this is her. Yeah, she's my coworker.
So cute!
Hello is integrated with Amazon Alexa and Google Home for voice assistance and home automation. With built-in speakers and 4 far-field microphones, you can speak to Hello from anywhere in your home. The motion and voice detection on the Hello 2 alerts you if your baby is awake and takes action automatically, such as turning on the baby swing or playing a song.
Hello, dim the lights. Hello, play Game of Thrones.
Catch your favorite shows in 4K quality on Hello 2, or play with the Hello wireless controller. A new, slick, extremely responsive Bluetooth wireless controller for Hello Gaming. With this device, you can play your favorite games on your TV. We are also opening our platform to empower creators to build any apps or hardware gadgets to extend capabilities of Hello devices. As part of the open platform, we are introducing a Hello 2 Creator Edition designed only for the developer community. Hello Gadget Extensions are a collection of connected products that enhance communication and interactions with Hello devices. We can't wait to see what kind of gadgets you will create next. Here are a few of the Hello Gadget products we have worked on. Hello Call Button is a reprogrammable button that you can use to create a number of different functions, designed for one-click calls and actions so simple, even your pet could use it and stay in touch with you.
Getting closer to...
With Hello Touch 4K TV, you can whiteboard, video conference, wirelessly share and annotate on any content. Now your virtual teams outside the physical room can also collaborate in real time from any device.
Let's call Daddy. Hello, call Daddy.
Hello guys.
Hi, Daddy.
Today we are proud to say that Hello is being used all over the world, connecting people and shortening distances.
Now we come back home to you, Kickstarter, once again to rewrite the story of how we communicate. Join us. We really appreciate your support.
These two aren't the only ones enjoying Nebula Capsule. Tens of thousands of people around the world have realized that this little bad boy would revolutionize their movies, games, and videos. And now, thanks to new tech and new ideas, the sequel is gonna be so much cooler. Introducing Capsule 2. the world's first Android TV pocket cinema. Too much butter. Capsule 2 has a couple tricks up its sleeve. With 1-second autofocus, Chromecast, and over 3,600 native Android TV apps, you can pretty much watch whatever you want, wherever you want, right when you want it. And with USB Quick Charge, you'll get up to 3 hours of battery life, so it won't die before the villain does. Capsule 2 isn't just for the cinephiles. The HDMI port makes it easy to plug and play. Play Xbox, PS4, Switch, in all its high-definition glory. Okay, Google, play soccer highlights on YouTube. Extraordinary. One of them appears to be going outside. If you're headed outdoors, well, this thing hurls out 200 ANSI lumens. That means it's bright. You see, Capsule 2 boasts a shiny new DLP chip. What's that mean? I have no idea. But someone told me that there are like a million tiny little mirrors in this thing that can project an HD image up to 100 inches big. Anywhere you want. Meaning you get to enjoy your entertainment in even brighter environments. Hear that? Nice. With 8 watts of big sound and beautiful bass, your slasher film will echo across the canyon. I wouldn't be surprised if the sheriff showed up. Golden brown. But it's not quite finished yet. We still got to apply the finishing touches to Capsule 2 before it's ready to share. So, if you like what you're seeing and hearing, we could really use your support. We promise. Capsule 2 will change the way you enjoy entertainment on the go.
Shooting cinematic footage is no longer just about image quality, but motion. This is MUWI, the first pocket-sized dolly for smartphones, making it possible for everyone to capture cinematic footage. With the retractable phone holder and the patent-pending rotary legs, make it possible to achieve perfect linear and curved movements with one tool. What about cameras? Just snap the swivel clip and mount your DSLR, mirrorless, or action cameras. The secure ball joint allows you to capture from any angle. The foldable legs make it compact and create a low center of gravity, providing the best balance even with a DSLR. We've tried hard to develop additional abilities for MUWI that enhance its ease of use and boost your creativity. Attaching the flow modules will transform MUWI into a motorized dolly. Flow is the most intuitive and simple way to have an automated motion. Just turn it on and scroll for speed adjustment. With Flow X, MUWI becomes completely hands-free. You can adjust speed, direction, and control your camera remotely. MUWI will go fast enough to follow the action and slow enough to capture perfect time lapses. Track will turn your MUWI into a lightweight and easy to set up slider that can be mounted to any tripod. It is made from airplane grade aluminum to ensure the best quality and stability. It's foldable and compact. Just put it into your backpack and discover the world. MUWI is small but powerful. It can shoot steep inclined shots on load, climbing freely along the track without a cable or belt. We've gathered an amazing team of product designers and engineers. We iterated and tested it over and over again, finally creating something we are truly proud of. Our mission is to empower and inspire people to tell better stories and make professional videography available for everyone, anywhere, at any time. We are now ready for the first mass production run, but need your support. Back us today and help us bring the most versatile and affordable filmmaking tool into your hands.